Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba once again. Thank you guys for the support you've been giving me, and also guys, we pushed to over 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I'd like to tell you that the mere purpose of this channel is just to educate you guys, just to familiarize yourselves with the terms of forex trading, and also giving you the few basics of understanding what in forex, what happens in forex, what do you do in forex trading. So basically you have to understand that the information that I'm giving you is for free, and also if you like to get into more depth and more into detail and trading, learn my strategy, you have to enroll for the course. Or if you like to enroll for our 2.0 signals group, please click the link below to get in touch with the admin, and also you'll be given payment details. Guys, what just like to share with you guys is what I've done. We had a great boot camp. I was just sharing knowledge. I hope you guys were logged in. I didn't record it because I believe I've sent out the links to the relevant platforms, and if some people were very serious about it, they joined into the live. So basically if you didn't, you missed out, but stay tuned to my channel, keep on liking my videos, subscribe, you'll be getting much more knowledge. And also guys, I would like to encourage you guys to also learn forex trading, and also trade, and also take all the theory that you've taken from my channel, and also apply it on your chart. You will see it won't be easy when you start, but with time it becomes easy. And also guys, you have to learn that whatever you do, as long as you apply your mind and you apply your goals, you'll be goal driven. You start developing passion towards what you're doing, because obviously no one was born being passionate about going to school, you understand? So basically we know that many people, they tend to go to school to have money, but what entails is that in forex trading you get to have a skill that helps you make money from the comfort of your home at your own time. It gives you financial freedom. So guys, today's topic is all about support and resistance. I talked about it in the boot camp. Many people grasp it and they are able to understand it. We basically, what it means is that the support is the lowest level where price pulls back or where price bounces, you understand? So basically if you're coming from the top and then price bounces at that level, that is basically your support. I'd like to put it into practical example. My support, I will regard it as my floor for a building. So I'll just do this. This is a house, and then I'll just make this simple example. This is a house. So here is my floor, which I regard as my support. I hope it's clear. This is a house, and then this is, I regard as my support. When you are looking at the floor like this, looking at it, you are being supported from the bottom, you understand? In simpler terms, you must understand what pushes you is the support. So basically you have to understand that in forex trading we tend to use these terms so that you can be able to understand. And the resistance is the highest point on a chart, the point that resists you from going further up, you understand? So basically it's the level here that pushes you down, that now makes it difficult for you to keep on pushing to the upside, something like this. So for this one we'll use a ceiling, because we know that before going to the roof you reach a ceiling, which is ceiling, and then this will be your resistance. That will be your resistance. So basically you can see that it's the highest point on top. Basically we are saying that when you are at the resistance you will sell, and then when you are at the support you will buy, you understand? So take into account that whatever you see here is just a practical example of understanding what is a support and resistance and what do we do on the support. So I'm just gonna be using this example as well. So basically this is a house. So basically look at it this way. You are coming from the top, then you reach this level. What happens at this level? Just pick blue for buy and then red for sell. So at this level you buy, going to your resistance, and then from here you will sell from your resistance. You understand? So you have to understand that what are you doing. You understand? In Forex it's simple as you buy low, sell high, because you want to make profit. So that's the main reason you will sell here, because you anticipate the market to go to the downside. You understand? And at the lowest point you will buy. So you understand? So basically you tend to understand how the market moves in certain direction, certain movements, because you have to understand that forcing the market, because what can really happen here, let's say you buy here at this peak, you're forcing it. What can really happen is market can go and then, you understand, go a little bit up and then form some sort of something which we most know it as reversal patterns, which when they happen at the resistance, we know that resistance, we know what we are expecting. So at this level here we are expecting a sell, but should the same level happen at the floor or your support, you would be seeing something like so basically you'll be looking for buys. Understand? So with that being said, you can see what you are looking at. So basically take it into practical, because sometimes when you, what is a support, people tend to ask you and many people get confused. So but the minute you put it into practical, you know that okay, fine, the support is when this and this happen. So basically I'm just gonna do a simple example. Now we're gonna be looking at something much more complex. So now we are still looking at the same building, but this building now doesn't have one floor. So now we'll be looking at something like this. Fine. Okay. We have the first floor, second floor, and the ceiling. Ceiling, floor, which is your support, resistance. But you have to understand that these are the highest ones, like they are major ones. We are on the floor and then we are at the last level of resistance. But you have to understand that coming from here, going here, this is your resistance. And then once it does something like, and then breaks it. Okay. Does something like this. Yeah. Now it becomes what? A support. Now it becomes a support. So you can see it was a resistance as we're going up, but now we broke it and then now we come to bounce on it. Now it becomes the support. It's supporting us. Now this one, it's a resistance. And then once price comes, bounce, then now it becomes the new support. You understand? So basically, with that being said, we are looking at this in that manner, and then when we are at the top here and then we have something like, and then you can see now this is the resistance, and then we come and break this level, which is the support. Now support, we are coming from the top, then now this new support becomes a resistance, and we go down. You understand? And so forth. So basically you can see that when you break the resistance and you come back and retest this, now it becomes a support. And when you break the support and you go back and retest it, now it becomes a resistance. So I hope that basics of understanding support and resistance makes sense. So basically you have to put it into practical form. Look at it when you are in a building. You know that, okay, between floor 0 and floor 1, I'm looking at floor 1. On top, the ceiling or the slab is a resistance, the floor is the support. So basically you can see that you are being supported from the bottom and then you're going up. So guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends and families so that I can be able to post more videos. Guys, this channel is for you. And also, you like to learn directly from me, please click on the link below. The website is under construction, guys. We are just upgrading it. It's gonna be mind-blowing, guys. You will enjoy it. You'll be able to do many more things. I'll be offering many more things into the 2.0, guys. Don't miss it. If I were you, I'll enroll for the 2.0 now. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Once again, don't forget, see you next time in my next video, guys. Thanks a lot for the support. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for tuning in.